Want to switch your playlist from Apple Music to Tidal HiFi? Today, I'll show you a super easy way to transfer your playlist in a few steps. Let's start. First, open Playlist Go and log in with your Apple Music and Tidal account. Then select Apple Music from the left side and choose the playlists you want to transfer. Now select Tidal from the right side and click Start Transfer. Playlist Go will show the match result after done. Click Start Transfer again after it's done and it will be completed quickly. That's it. Very simple, right? Now you can transfer your playlists without rebuilding anymore. Let's try Playlist Go for your playlists. Download link in the below.